And every year on the date of the accident, it runs again as a warning to others, plunging into the gap, shrieking like a lost soul.
Monty, what are you talking about?
The ghost train starts all last night.
Where?
He didn't say. Oh, it makes my western wheels wobble to think of it.
Pa, you're just a silly little engine. I'm not scared. The next morning, Monty saw Stuart in the yard.
Adam didn't believe in your ghost.
Stuart laughed. Neither do I. It was just Dean covered in a tarp. Monty was disappointed. That evening, he came back from the harbor. Monty knew where he was, even in the dark.
Falls Mill Crossing. We shouldn't be far now.
He liked traveling at night. The rails singed, and the signal light shone green. He also liked the wind whipping around his boiler. But a broken cartload of flour lay ahead. The tractor driver had just gone for help. Monty broke the cart to smithereens. Flour flew everywhere. He left quickly to the nearest signal box. Monty's driver explained everything that had happened. I'll see to it, but you better clean Monty, or people will think he's a ghost. The signalman began to chuckle. I have to say, that's not a very great Western-looking livery for you.
Can we please keep me like a ghost and scare Adam? That will teach him to see I'm a silly little engine.
Stan promised to help. Adam was being cleaned up for his evening mail train. Monty's had an accident! Poor little pannier. That means I'll be late for my mail run. They've cleared the line for you, but there seems to be something worse. Out with it, Stan. I can't wait all night. I've just seen something. It looked like Monty's ghost. It said it was coming here to warn us. Pa, who cares? Don't be scared, Stan. I'll look after you. Let me in. Let me in. What was that? No. No. Not by the smoke of my chimney chim. Oh, look at the time. Look at the time. Goodness me, I didn't realize how late it was. I must go get my mail vans. Ho-ho! We got him good, Monty. Monty? Oh well, I guess he went to get cleaned. It was morning when Adam returned. Where have you been? I knew you'd be sad about Monty, and I didn't want to disturb. I slept in the freight shed and, can't stop. Gotta see a grizzly about an Ivan. Monty moved up and stopped next to Stan. Well. What do you know about that? You really did scare him. And me a little. With that weird voice and disappearing trick after.
But I didn't do that. Right after you left, the points got jammed so I couldn't get to the sheds. I slept in the siding after they cleared me up.
Well, if you were stuck there, then who was at the sheds?
Stan, I think we have just dealt with the ghost.